Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check for a damaged chainsaw guide bar and replace it. Chainsaw bars will wear with normal use. They'll wear much faster if dirt gets between the chain and the groove in the bar. Common areas where the chain will wear is the groove, the area of the bar right behind the sprocket, and the sprocket itself. To inspect a bar for wear, first, look at the bar just behind the sprocket. If it's worn here, you'll see some cupping. Next, look at the sprocket itself. The sprocket should rotate freely. And last, we'll check the bar groove. A groove that is worn will allow the chain to move freely side to side. A bar that isn't worn will have very little movement. To replace a worn out bar, I'll remove the old bar and the chain. To do that, I'll remove the side cover. I'll loosen the tensioner and remove the cover from the saw. Now I can remove the chain and the bar. And now I can install the new bar. I'll place it over the studs, reinstall the chain, and I want to make sure that I'm installing the chain with the cutters on the bottom part of the bar pointing towards the rear of the saw. Now reinstall the side cover and install the nuts, but I'll leave them loose. Now lift the tip of the bar and begin to tension the chain. I want to tension the chain so that I can still lift the drive links away from the bar, but I don't want to be able to lift them completely away so that there's a gap. There should be some movement, but I don't want it too loose. That looks pretty good, so now I can tighten down the nuts. And that's how you can check for a damaged guide bar and replace it on your chainsaw.